And here comes Cody, our super protector dog.
Come here, Cody.
Hi, Cody. You're being filmed.
Hi, Cody.
There's our super dog. Hey, Cody.
You're a bummer.
There's Cody.
Oh, I love climbing trees. What the? Cody, what is that?
Rolling around in horse manure again?
I don't know. It's something green.
Oh, what did Tina see? What did Tina see?
Nothing.
Let's see. There she is, on alert. See anything? She sees something. What do you see? What do you see? Where she's going somewhere. Let's go back to... Hi, Cody. Bye, Cody.